How would you like to own a brand new maintenance-free ranch home so you can focus on the things you enjoy in a fantastic Westfield location? Welcome to Gristmill Villas. Hi, I'm Claire, and I know you're going to love it here. Let me show you around. Our ranch homes are designed to make your life so much easier with everything on one level. You'll love having your kitchen wide open to your living space so you'll never miss a conversation or a scene from your favorite show. Enjoy included modern finishes throughout, like hardy plank siding, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and luxury plank flooring. Having your luxurious owner suite on the main level makes daily tasks easier. You'll love the attached spa-like bathroom with dual vanities and walk-in seated shower. And your laundry room is just steps away from the bedroom, so no more hauling the laundry basket up and down the stairs. But the best part about living here? No more mowing the lawn or shoveling the snow. That's all done for you here at Gristmill Villas. You get to spend more time doing the things you love, like traveling or spending time with your family or friends. Living at Gristmill Villas means you'll be just minutes away from everything Westfield has to offer. Centrally located at State Road 32 and US 31, everyday conveniences like Target and Kroger are just minutes away. If you enjoy sports, Grand Park is right at your doorstep. So what do you think? Are you ready for maintenance-free living in Westfield? Take the first step and schedule your visit to Gristmill Villas. I can't wait to see you and show you around.